Some of the maintenance work in your schedule has well-defined scope, drawings, just about everything a contractor needs to estimate the job and submit a meaningful lump sum estimate. Let him. Most maintenance work orders have no drawing, but the scope is generally understood. In those cases, a time and materials contract probably works well. Occasionally, work can be planned and estimated using well-documented standard activity man-hours. In those circumstances, unit rate contracts are a good fit. Nested contractors are usually flexible and work well under a T&M contract. Some contractors excel at lump sum or unit rate jobs. Feed them a steady diet of work under contract types that match up with their strengths. Without a balance between work type, contract type, and contractor preferences, you run the risk of mismatching contractors and the kind of work they do best. Optimal outcomes are less likely. MCI software expertly manages T&M, lump sum, and unit rate contracts, so you always match the ideal contractor to the ideal job.
Contact Management Controls today to find out more.